My name is Dr. Gus, president and founder of Dr. Gus Advanced Health and Wellness Centers. If we want to restore our patients' health quickly, then we need to educate our patients. The very first thing that they need to do is to hydrate their body. Now we're going to take a look at what your blood looks like coming in. So now what we are looking at is the smaller round circles are red blood cells, and the larger bluish circles are white blood cells. And now what we see here, because you were dehydrated before, there was some garbage in the background. We see already that having some water in your body after just a few minutes actually makes your body happier. The third sample, with having drank kind ionized water, and here we go. Here's what you see.
Wow.
For one, we're seeing many more red blood cells on the screen at one time. They're moving happier. The background is a lot more cleaner, a lot different than your very first one. At the end of the day, science speaks for itself. And frankly, Cayenne ionized water is where it's at.